Oh, shit. Before I record this video, what's happening, Buck World? I am no longer Bully Ward. I no longer get to throw wars up. I'm no longer a misfit. I'm Inferno. I don't even know if I should go by that name, though, bro. Think about changing it up. Well, this all happened because, you know what I'm saying, I wasn't on my stuff. I didn't go to sessions. You know what I'm saying? Wasn't really vibing like that. But now I'm about to get back on my shit. Get bucker, get better. And you know what I'm saying? Maybe I'll join back or something. I don't know. I might just take this time to just be by myself. You know? But I don't know. Well, I'm about to get off. Or try to get off. Whatever.